Luxor's 2- and 3-shelf collapsible metal utility carts are the perfect combination of durability and mobility. Constructed with a chrome-plated frame and black steel shelves, the MSCC2 and MSCC3 fold in a single motion, offering a space-saving design that's perfect for transportation and storage. These contemporary metal carts are available with 2 or 3 shelves and feature raised edges to keep content secure when moving from room to room. With an overall weight capacity of 200 pounds and 300 pounds respectively, these Luxor folding carts have an impressive sturdiness, enabling them to move heavy items easily, while the comfortable tubular handle and 4 4-inch TPR non-marking swivel casters, 2 with locking brakes, allow maneuvering between tight spaces a breeze. 2- and 3-shelf collapsible metal carts from Luxor ship fully assembled. Simply attach the casters and go. Ideal for commercial, business, and home use. These folding storage carts offer both quality and affordability.